The flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. The two living ostrich are the common ostrich and the Somali ostrich. They are around 9 feet tall and weigh as much as 320 pounds. The common ostrich is native to large areas of sub-Saharan Africa, and the Somali ostrich is native to Horn of Africa. Ostriches are the fastest running birds in the world. Scientists have seen ostriches run continuously at speeds of 30 to 37 miles per hour and sprint up to 43 miles per hour. With their long, strong legs, ostriches can cover more than 10 feet in a single stride. They are omnivores, eating a variety of plants, seeds, insects, and small animals. They also swallow pebbles to help grind up food in their gizzard. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal, measuring about 2 inches in diameter, which helps them spot predators from a distance. They lay the largest eggs of any living land animal. An ostrich egg can be up to 6 inches long, weigh about 3 pounds, and is equivalent to about 24 chicken eggs. Unlike most birds, they have only 2 toes on each foot. This adaptation helps them run more efficiently. In the wild, ostriches can live up to 40 years and even longer in captivity. They use a form of camouflage by lying down and stretching their necks along the ground, then threatened, blending in with the surroundings. Their powerful legs not only allow them to run quickly but also to deliver strong kicks capable of deterring predators like lions. Ostriches live in nomadic groups that range in size. During breeding season, males can be territorial and form harems with multiple females. Ostrich feathers are very large and beautiful. They can be dyed. They are used for decorations and fashion industry. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.